Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix you cannot send money at the moment. Your recipient cannot accept payments at the moment on PayPal. So guys, if you're trying to send money from your PayPal account and the recipient is not able to receive payments, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you send payment to the PayPal accounts. So guys, if you are also facing this problem, simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution is that you have to simply make sure the person or the recipient whom you are trying to send payments is not blocked on PayPal. So guys, if the person or the recipient is blocked on PayPal, then you will not be able to send money or payments anymore. So guys, confirm it, and after this you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply drag down your control center and make sure your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check your internet connection, and after this you have to simply open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below, tap on general, again tap on date and time, and from here set your date and time, and after this go back and now tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device. So guys, if there is any connected VPN, simply disconnect it and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open settings again, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and from here you have to simply scroll it below and tap on your PayPal app, and from here you have to simply delete PayPal app for one time. So guys, do this, and after this go back, and now you have to simply open your app store and search here for PayPal, and now you have to simply download and install the latest version of PayPal in your device, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open any browser and search here for support.paypal. So guys, here it is, and from here tap on PayPal contact us, and now scroll it below, and from here you have to simply contact the PayPal team using message option from here. So guys, here you can see this, you can easily send message from here to the PayPal team. You have to simply explain your problem to the PayPal team using this message option, and after this they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to send or receive payments from your PayPal account very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.